are very predictive. Whoa, that was cool. That totally struck the water.
Holy crap.
That was close. It's about time to get out almost. That, I saw that struck the water. That was crazy.
Welcome to the National Park in Tamarandu. Don't know if this is the only one, but I can't remember the name. Don't swim, don't feed. You got it! Good job! Good boy. Good boy. Good morning from the National Park here in Tamarindu. We have one more day here, and today we actually have a ton of work to do, but we wanted to come down here in the morning and fly the drone up and down the river. The river connects to the ocean, and apparently the river is also infested with crocodiles. So we're not going in the river, but you can do a boat tour if you want. The guide here said if you just come here and hire a guide from right here, it's $30 per person for 2 hours. So you can do that. We just didn't have the time today. But we'll see if we spot any crocodiles on the drone. There's a couple tide pools apparently. The guide said depending on the tide, you might not be able to do the cruise because it's like you don't see as much wildlife and stuff at certain times when the tide is higher. The way of this. It's kind of like how the Grand Canyon started carving into the mountain, I guess. Some really beautiful seashells. More seashells here than I've seen anywhere else. So right here, the ocean meets the river. You could tell it's a little muddy on this side.
Feeling like every day is an encore of every other people chasing. We've been here before. This is what we got, but I want more, Yeah, do it now. Stepping into the daylight.
But you can see exactly how far it can go.
Yeah.
Super bummed. I found this at the health store. Dairy free. This says cookie of oat. So it's, I assumed it would be gluten free because a lot of the stuff there is gluten free. And then I'm just absolutely crushed to see the first ingredient. Trigo wheat. I was so excited. But Jeremy will eat it now, so it's not going to go to waste. Natural skincare, cold brew.
Coffee, roasted coffee. You got a band set up for this evening.
Oh, nice. Come watch a thunderstorm with us.
Or very predictive. Whoa, that was cool. That totally struck the water.
Holy crap!
That was close. It's about time to get out almost. That I saw that struck the water. That was crazy.
Well, for sure.
Oh, the wind just changed over. Water's flowing this way now. We got like 5 minutes. Tops. Babe, I saw it strike the ocean. Did you?
I did, yeah, 100%.
Here we go. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It was forming on the ocean. Now it's moving over us.
Not every minute can be sunny in a rainforest. Tropical weather.
All right. Another reason why we live in hotels.
Do I need to look at you guys? I mean, I love you all, but like, seriously.
This is it. This is happening. Sky's on fire. Don't mind the infinity pool up there. Yummy fruity drink in here.
Absolutely stunning.
Hotel life it is. It's beautiful. Look at that sky. Wow.
We got a DJ here.
It's amazing people think that this whole thing came out of an explosion. That's what gets me
Pretty magical explosion.
every day.
You're a sucker for burnt orange, aren't you?
Not quite burnt orange, but we're getting there. That's burnt orange. Yeah, that's nice. Comes through different on camera, huh? Guys, we looked up things to do on TripAdvisor, and we didn't see the #1 thing, which we were told by the locals is the #1 thing to do, which is a thing called a sunset. And so we Googled it, tried to figure out where to go for the sunset, and I think we found it. Somebody's copying me. I think tonight's was better actually. Last night's had a big pillar. Yeah.
Wow.
That's a good one tonight.
I mean, it's not bad.